Welcome back to Woodworker Express, and today I'll be showing you the Sanitizing Wipes Starter Kit and the Refill Kit. These can be used to clean all hard surfaces, equipment, utensils, and more. The sanitizer and cleaner have been tested independently to kill 99.97% of coronaviruses. Now let me show you what this kit comes with. A bucket with a nice handle, and it also comes with a lid that has a hole in it for us to thread the wipes through. It also comes with the instruction guide, the packet of sanitizer, and a sticker that I already put on, which labels this, identifies this, and it's perfect for OSHA regulations. Now, the wipes that come in here are dry and ready for you to activate. So what you need is 4 cups of hot water and your packet. There's a nice easy to tear spot on the packet, which at that point you pour it right into your jar container of 4 cups of hot water. Close it up, shake it around a little bit, and then slowly pour it over your wipes. Now, it's really important that you mix the sanitizing powder with 4 cups of hot water because it'll dissolve really easily, real nicely with just a little bit of a shake. And also 4 cups is important, or 32 ounces, it's the same thing. But you want to mix that together to get the exact 199 parts per million ratio. Now, all you do is it pulls from the center out, and it's a non-stop, never-ending roll. And then you're just going to feed it through the hole of the lid. Now you get that started. Now you just close it, got a nice airtight lid, and you pull out the piece you need. It's all perforated and ready to go in perfect little squares, and then you clean. Easy as that. Now this cleaner sanitizer is FDA approved, EPA approved, NSF D2 approved, and ready to rock and roll for all of the restaurant industries, hospital industries, home office, work office, you name it, you can use this, and you can be confident that you are sanitizing and keeping everything sterile and clean. Now, along with the Sanitizing Wipe Starter Kit, we also are selling the Sanitize Wipe Refill Kit, which comes with 6 new rolls and 6 packs of the sanitizing solution, and then just reuse your bucket and you are in business. And as always, thank you so much for watching Woodworker Express on the YouTube. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit Woodworker.com, and we will be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions. So clean. We'll see you next time.